Hey everybody, this is driving Google traffic to your mortgage business, the 4 traffic pillars for Google marketing. And this is actually an overview of what we're learning in this month's content in the Monthly Mastermind. And I just wanted to share it with everybody here to show you what we're learning and what we're doing. If you've been following me, I've kind of dropped off the face of the earth after I did this autopilot advertising launch, and I've been behind my computer building out advertising funnels, driving online traffic to generate leads. And in doing so, we've discovered some really great sources of online traffic that you can get for far less than what people traditionally pay for pay-per-click advertising, and I wanted to share it with you. Now, when you look at driving Google traffic, there's basically 4 different ways that you can drive that traffic. One is from the front page of Google. So that's somebody going to Google, doing a search, and then your advertisement showing up on the front page. The second is inside prospects' emails. And this is a really valuable tool that can give you an upper leg on your competition and advertise to people right when they start talking about mortgages. And I'm going to show you how that works. The other opportunity that we've been getting a really good return from is on news, mortgage, and real estate websites. So not just the front page of Google, but advertising to people while they're browsing other websites using things like banner advertisements. And the other way that we've been able to get some really great returns is by using mobile marketing and advertising on mobile phones. Now, within the Google network, there's 4 different tools that you need in order to tap into these 4 new opportunities. To get on the front page of Google, you've got to be advertising on the search network. To advertise inside prospects' emails, you've got to be advertising on the display network. News, mortgage, and real estate websites are on the content network, and mobile phones are on the mobile network. Now, let me take you through and show you exactly how this works. The Google search network is the one that we're probably all familiar with, and most people that I have asking me questions about pay-per-click and how we can make it affordable, this is the only method that they've tried, is trying to get their website up on pay-per-click for major search phrases like mortgage broker, mortgage rates, or just the phrase mortgage in their local marketplace. Well, there's a problem with that. And now I'm not saying that you should be running pay-per-click advertisements on the front page of Google. I don't believe that you should do that. And here's why. This is the AdWords pay-per-click traffic estimator or keyword tool. And what I've done in here is gone in and typed in mortgage broker, mortgage rates, and mortgage to see how much we would have to pay per click to be on the front page of Google across Canada. And you can see down in the right-hand corner with the red outline, it's $11.39 per click to show up for the phrase mortgage broker. For mortgage rates, which is the most competitive phrase in the mortgage world, it's $79.20 per click. That's not a lead. That's just one visitor to your website. So with it being that cost prohibitive, I don't recommend using pay-per-click advertising on the search network for your mortgage business. What I do recommend is using the local Google traffic system combined with social alchemy. And what that means is going out and getting your Google Plus local page so that you're listed in the box that you see on the screen there as a local mortgage broker, and then getting all sorts of wonderful social proof from past customers to help boost your ranking up, and using the local Google traffic system. That generates the same results from that front page ranking, but it gives you all that traffic for free so you don't have to pay for those huge pay-per-click costs. So in the Monthly Mastermind, of course, the first lesson that we started with was local Google traffic and how to set that up in your business. Now let's get into the new opportunities that we've discovered to help build your mortgage business using pay-per-click. Now these methods are cost effective and can get you a good return. Now, the first is email placements. And this is really freaky. I mean, how many times have you been out and about and you've run into somebody that you know or is a past customer of yours, and they say, "Oh, I wish we ran into you like a week sooner. We just got a mortgage. I completely forgot." Or, "I didn't know you were in the mortgage business." That stuff happens. And this method of advertising can help you connect with those customers before they go over to the competition. Now, this is using Gmail. Gmail is a very widespread free email service. I use it. All my friends use it. The majority of my customers have a Gmail account. Now, watch how intelligent Google is with their advertisements inside these emails. So take your future customer, they sit down, they open up a brand new account, or they're using their existing Gmail account. They decide that they're going to get a mortgage, and they decide they're going to go out and they're going to start getting quotes from other mortgage brokers and the banks, and just naturally doing their research, which is what our consumers do, right? So what I did was I went into a blank email account with no history, and I wrote an email message to myself, and the subject was mortgage appointment. "Hey, we're looking to get a mortgage. I'm looking for some information on mortgage rates to see if I can qualify. What time do you have an appointment? Thanks, Chris." Just mimicking an email that somebody would send into the bank or send out to get a mortgage quote. Now, as soon as I sent that email, the advertisements on the top of my Gmail account changed. And you can see it immediately flips over to a mortgage-based advertisement. And we can target our customers at this zero moment of truth. It's what Google calls ZMOT, or the zero moment of truth. And what that means is we're able to advertise to somebody at the very second that they're telling us that they need what we have to provide for them. Now, this advertisement here, we can do a lot better than that ad. We can do is put out an ad that says waiting for mortgage rates, which chances are very high they are because they sent out a conversation about mortgage rates. Call now for current rates and compare all the major banks. Now that's an advertisement that gets the person to say, "That's immediately what I want right now. I may as well call this person so that I'm informed when the other person that I reached out to calls me back." And that's how we're using these ads to get the phone to ring inside people's email boxes. Pretty cool, right? Now, the next style of traffic that we've tapped into is called the Google Content Network. Now, an estimated 80% of online sites are part of the Google Content Network. And what that means is when you're on, CNN.com or any of those major sites and you see banner advertisements on those websites, those are actually served through Google's pay-per-click network. And they have a deal with Google where the person who owns the website gets a little bit of the pay-per-click budget for running the ads on their network. Google gets paid, the website owner gets paid, and you get traffic to your website. And one of those websites that participates is Kijiji, which is an online classified site where a lot of people go to get real estate information outside of Realtor.ca or any of the real estate websites out there. And these banner ads can be created in about 30 seconds. We do a live walkthrough of how to create an ad in this month's Monthly Mastermind and show you how to place it on sites only in your local network. Same thing with the email advertisements. We can target those just to people in your specific marketplace so that only targeted leads for your business see your advertisements popping up on their screens. So the email inboxes, the Google Content Network, and then mobile advertisements. Over 30% of all online traffic is now done on mobile devices. Smartphones have started to kind of take over our society, and we've figured out how to show ads just to people in our local marketplace. This is actually a screenshot from the campaign that I set up as an example in the Monthly Mastermind, and it shows you we're on the search and display networks, showing up only on mobile devices and tablets like Playbooks and iPads. And we're only targeting people in our target market, which is Guelph, Ontario, Canada. And you can do the same. You can target mobile phones just in your local target market. It's really cool stuff. And because nobody else really understands how to use these unknown advertising sources, our costs are way down on the pay-per-click. We're not paying anywhere even close to what we have to pay to get on the front page of Google. And it's good, solid traffic with good quality leads coming through the system. So to recap, here's our 4 marketing opportunities. The front page of Google on that search network, which I personally recommend using local Google traffic rather than pay-per-click advertisements. Then advertising inside prospects' emails using the display network, on news, mortgage, and real estate websites using the content network, and mobile phones using Google's mobile pay-per-click network. Now, I've got something special for you. As you know, I've got a monthly mastermind. I've mentioned it a couple of times in this video, and I'd like to invite you to become part of our group. Right now, we're in month number 4, and we are going through how to set up all of these traffic driving sources in month number 4. And I show you how to go in, set up the account, how to build advertisements that are actually going to generate clicks for you, how to place them in your local marketplace, how to create the banner ads. It's a full walkthrough of everything that you need. Also, leading up to month number 4, we've done this in a way where it's building blocks. Month number 1, I give you my entire local Google traffic DVD system. It's a 6-step series that you get in month number 1 that shows you how to claim that front page ranking on Google without having to pay to be there, setting up your Google Plus local profile. Just that product alone sells for $999, and I've given it to you as month number 1 in the monthly mastermind. Month number 2 is what I call the social alchemy system, showing you how to go into your existing database and get online ratings, reviews, and testimonials from your past customers so that you're seen as the most reputable mortgage professional in your local marketplace. And we show you how to put that as a system in your business so that every new deal that you're doing is bringing in new customers. In month number 3, we sit down and say, we need to look at your website, because if your website isn't generating leads and actually converting people, there's no sense in driving traffic to it. So we sit down and we say, what does a good mortgage website look like, and how do you test and see whether or not it's actually working for your business and generating the leads that it should be? And it's a full case study where I show you how to set up all the tools that you need that go on your website so that you can just sit and read the reports after it's all set up and get the information that you need. Now that we've got those core fundamentals, we're starting to drive traffic. And here in month number 4, we've focused on Google and the opportunities that we have there. And next month, we're going into Facebook. And I'm going to show you how you can start driving traffic from Facebook, even if you don't have a Facebook account or don't want to be involved in social media or Facebook. It's really great content, and I think you're really going to love it. So I show you how to tap into the cost-effective traffic that your competition doesn't know about, generate high-quality calls and visitors to your website, and give you access to the answers to all your questions on our 2 monthly membership calls every month. And when you become a member of this monthly mastermind, you get the technical support that you need as well, because we are dealing with online marketing, and sometimes technology breaks or you run into a problem where you just need support. And I'm here to help you with that. When you're part of our monthly mastermind, you get access to me, and our team will help you solve your techie problems. Now, normally this program is $299 a month, but for everybody here on this video today, I'd like to give you a special offer. I'm going to give you access to all 4 months worth of content, including month number 1, which is the local Google traffic program, with just 1 payment today, as well as providing you with a 100% money back guarantee. So if you get in, you don't like the content, you're not happy with the calls where we get together and discuss everything and answer your questions, no problem, ask for your money back. It's 100% guaranteed, and you can cancel at any time. There's no contract. So here for you today, it's a one-time payment of $199 and just $99 a month. ongoing. And again, this is a limited time offer. We're not going to have this up for long, but I wanted to provide this out to you just to give you access to the community and give you access to what we're doing on a monthly basis. Right now, this is one of the only ways that you have to get access to me. It's either this or the autopilot advertising system, which is currently sold out. So this is our opportunity to work together at just $99 a month, and that price is never going to go up. It's a great value to you, and there's absolutely no risk to try it out. So go ahead, click the button below this video. Let's get started. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.